This is actually 0649. I won't be able to ride this bus though, because the bus that I'm waiting for is gonna come in like 20-ish minutes. This guy's probably on like layover chilling. But it's sad that they're really retiring these, man. This is like iconic when you really look at it. What, the 39-seater, 2006 Cummins engine, Allison B400R. Man, the memories on this bus. I remember riding this thing like years ago, like when it first came into service back in like 06. Sadly, these are being replaced by the 3200s, 3300 series. Don't even get me started on those types of buses. I hate them. Like, they just feel so daggone uncomfortable. If you listen to this thing sounds like it could go another few more years. Like it's got like a whole lot of life left in it. 2 wheelchair capacity. One of my guys on YouTube said, due to these being retired, there's a lot of the 2008 diesels like this coming from Lynn going to Fellsway. This used to be Charlestown Garage years ago, but then when the Neo plans, but then when the 1900s, the 1925s and so on were coming out, they ended up pushing these to, I believe, Albany. Don't hold me to it, but y'all bus nuts know what I'm talking about. And then after that, they ended up putting these, which were at Albany for a while, back to Fellsway because the 3200s that was coming in. Man, just look at how clean this is though. Cleans, looks well, sounds good to me. Doesn't sound like anything. I like the way the turn signals has its look on it. Oh, man, the memories on this thing, man. 0649. I don't care what anyone says, this is iconic in my eyes, man. Wow. 0649, and along with the other 2006 diesels, you'll deeply be missed. And then, unfortunately, we're gonna have to deal with pieces of junk like those over there. Man, the good old buses, man. You will truly be missed for real. It's been a good ride, man. It's been a good ride. You know, I wonder what they're gonna do with the, as far as like the contingency fleet goes. I wonder if they're gonna keep these around for that. I personally feel like they should. I don't see why not. If we're relying on that piece of junk in the winter over there, you see right there, it's not going to be comforting. I know drivers that work for the T themselves, they even told me specifically they prefer these in the snow much better than those. Those slip and slide too easily because like the hybrid, the start-stop technology, it's real iffy. So if your own drivers dislike them, that says a lot. But man, it's gonna keep on admiring this, man. It's just, really can't believe this is gonna be gone. I'm just sad, man, and really hope they keep this and along with a few others as part of like the contingency fleet. They need something. I'm really hoping they do. Man, 649 beast. Man, wow, and it's taking off. Listen to this. See? Takes off pretty well. Looks good. I don't know if it's going to the garage or something. Probably. Who knows?